And welcome back guys to another video where today we are going to be doing a walk around and vehicle tour of this 2011 BMW 528i. So this is a non-LCI car, meaning it has the 3-liter inline 6 naturally aspirated engine. So a 3-cylinder, 6-cylinder. So yeah, let's do a vehicle tour. It's a bit slightly dirty, has some water, it's a black car, so bear with me here. But well, let's do a vehicle tour right now. So this has the N52 engine, obviously. These are the non-LCI headlights. You can see right there, non-LCI headlights. And then it has the bulb at the outer side. Some models do have the upgraded LED one, that means the signal will be LED. However, this one is just a bulb, and obviously the angel lights are all LED. And yeah, so yeah, it has the M Sport grills and everything. Active aero grills. There you go, you can see. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there you go. There's a flat inside, so when it gets a bit hot, it will open up for more ventilation. This does not have any fog lights though. But yeah, anyways, let's go and start it up first. Go and start it up first. Put on the brake and start. Very refined engine, cannot feel vibration at all. And yeah, so let's have a look on the outside. So this is obviously though, this does not have the soft closing on higher spec, so it's quite a low spec car, but still it is a 3-liter. Obviously there's the rear doors and everything like that is here, so very comfortable. You can see right here, very comfortable. This does not have the tri-zone climate control as well. So yeah, it does not have any climate control here. 528i, I have driven that car before as well. That has tri-zone climate control. This only has dual zone. So obviously one on the front over there, you can see, and the other one on the other side there for the driver. And then this is the overall dashboard view. You can see the steering wheel. There you go. It's a bit sunny here, so focus might be a problem, but hopefully you guys can see. So this is the dashboard. It's like a tailored suit. Code BMW there. And yeah, this has a tan interior, so it's the over here it's slightly tan. It's not the upgraded leather interior. So yeah. And for the back seat, it's very spacious. You can see I have a lot of leg room here. I am 170 cm tall for you guys at home for reference, which is 5'11". So you can see there is nothing to concern. Obviously you got this magazine holder, aircon nice and cool. Look at that, this is amazing right here. So yeah, as for the center cubby, there is center cubbies here. Press it up. There you go. I'm not sure what you put there, but maybe a piece of paper. And then the actual cup holders itself, there you go. The cup holder itself, then to close it, just put it back. It's a bit not smooth already after about 10 years. But yeah, there you go. So yeah, that's for the back seat. And then let's look at the boot space. Got automatic tailgate. So yeah, there you go. Obviously look at that, I mean that's a lot of you know, boot space right here. You can literally put anything on. This is a camera box for instance right here, look at that. All the way in. That's literally, it's massive really, the boot is just massive. So yeah, they're very deep. You got some water cabins there, you can put your water bottle and everything like that, very deep. And there's some nettings here for your, you know, tire repair kit and all that. It does have underfloor storage, so yeah, there you go. It's the screwdriver and some wires, they're not sure what that is. And there's the battery of the car. And yeah, there you go. And then obviously double exhaust there for that 3-liter. Then to close it, just press the button. And it closes. This car does not have the 528i badge. But yeah, there you go, look at that. Has these nice BMW rims right here. It looks very nice. Yeah, the owner of this car, the previous owner, actually put an M5 badge. I'm not sure why. Even though it's a 528i, it did put a M5 badge. And the DRLs are looking fabulous. Angel lights, look at that, just looking amazing. Very aggressive front with that BMW logo. And yeah, there you go. Side mirrors do have the LED signals. So yeah, some cars do not have that for F105 series. But yeah, there you go. That has been the walk around and vehicle tour of this 2011 BMW F10 528i. So yeah, there you go. Do stay tuned for more videos coming on this car. If you do enjoy videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos if you do have another car to want me to review, walk around vehicle to a POV test drive, do leave it in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to get the car that you guys are recommending. So yeah, thank you for watching. This has been HJ's Reviews. See you in the next.